Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can lock pages or slides of presentations you create on Canva in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so let me navigate to that example presentation here with that page number 1 for the sake of this tutorial. So it works almost the same way as locking objects and elements. What you need to do, guys, is right click into the page here and the overview at the bottom. Not exactly on an object or element on the given page, because that is going to lock, for example, the background image here in this case. So you will need, that's the difference, you will need to right click into the thumbnail of the slide at the bottom or page and then navigate to lock page here and select either one of these options, lock or lock position and appearance. So if I select lock, as you can see, the page has been locked with that lock icon in the bottom left. So to unlock the page, right click, select unlock page, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.